Imagine earning $400 and then another $500 just a few hours past. That is absolutely an incredible way to just go about your day. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be helping you achieve amazing financial independence and the lifestyle that you've wanted for so long. I know you guys are so excited to hear about this, so make sure that you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, you don't need to pay for anything. It's 100% free, no investment, no credit card needed. All you need is a smartphone or a computer or whatever you already have and an internet connection to be able to start making money right away and from anywhere from $400 to $1,000. And we're going to be using something that has something to do with Word today, Microsoft Word. So you're going to want to pay very close attention because you don't want to make any mistake. And this is an original strategy that is super duper easy, super duper simple. No need any skill, no need any experience. So let's jump right into it. So the first website I want you to visit is called hiresign.com, and this is where you're going to find a selection of online jobs that you can actually choose from to be able to work from home and earn a lot of money from as well. So I'm going to show you how you're going to use Microsoft Word and how you're going to be able to make some money with this. Now, as you can see, the online work from home opportunities, that's what it says here, and I completely agree. Now, you're completely free to sign up here as well, and you can start working immediately from anywhere around the world. You're going to get paid every single day within 24 hours with different payout methods, whatever you want. Now, there are a ton of online jobs that you can choose from to be able to earn money from, like typing, proofreading, paid surveys, graphic design, PowerPoint presentations, and spreadsheet entry jobs. Now, there are so many ways to earn money even if you are a complete beginner. And I am going to be obviously saving you so much time and effort and show you right away what just the best method is to make money online in today's video. So, I want you to focus on proofreading jobs, and as you can see here, you're going to be able to make anywhere from $20 to $40 per page of the Microsoft Word document that you have to check for spelling and grammar mistakes. Now, you're not going to need to speak or to communicate with anyone. You don't even have to be an expert in the English language. You don't need any experience. And I'm going to be showing you an example of an actual job that I have gotten on this website. As you can see here, they're going to pay you $40 for 2 pages because they pay $20 for 1 page. And the greatest and the best part is you can do as much as you like, as many as you possibly can. If you click on this link, you're going to see how to work as a virtual proofreader online by visiting this website. Don't worry, it's way easier than you think. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you an automatic software that's going to help you complete everything automatically. So make sure you don't miss that. Again, they pay at a very high and competitive rate compared to other websites, which is why I love this website and this opportunity. You also have flexible hours. You can work as long as you want or as short as you want. And any time of the day, you can also accomplish this from the comfort of your bed, from your couch, comfort of your own home, with even just a mobile phone or any device that's available and an internet connection. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how you're going to register for a 100% free account. Now, the registration process is a bit confusing, so be sure to pay attention to prevent any mistakes. So when you scroll down below, you're going to see that the application process and the submission is free. But before we go on any further, if you guys want to earn some more money online, then make sure you check the description box down below. We have a great surprise there that I'm sure you guys will find very pleasant. So if you guys want to earn more money online every single day, over $1,000 daily, make sure you check the description box down below. Also, please leave a comment below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see, because our videos will be based completely off of all of your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas, so make sure that you do that, and let's get back into the video. All you have to do is click on the white button here that says apply to be an online proofreader, and that's going to take you to this page that says how to apply at HireSign. Steps to fill up your online job application. You're then going to scroll down again to see the steps to enroll and submit a job application. You're going to click on the link that says form submission rules, and then you're going to scroll down below to see proceed to application section. So all you have to do is click on the apply now, then it's going to take you to the page online application form. And now this is finally the application form. It is a bit tricky, but it's important that you really stick with it because it is very important. If you miss this part, then you're not going to be able to apply at all. So if you scroll down, you're going to find this application form, which is important. It contains just a few questions, a few details they're asking of you that you have to respond to. Now I'm going to enter in my username, my first name, my last name, my age, my email address, and password. Confirm that password. And then I just have to enter in my mobile number, select my gender, and then select your notice period, and this is where you have to choose immediately. And by doing that, you're going to be accepted within 24 hours. And as soon as you're accepted, you can start receiving different jobs right away and earning money. Next question is, which position are you interested in? You're going to have to select the proofreading job because that's what we want. For the country, you can choose any country that you want. Again, this is available worldwide, so don't even worry about it. And lastly, for your present work status, you're going to have to select freelancer. Now, you had to do this because you're going to be accepted for sure. The chances of you being accepted is higher. So, as a bonus tip, I'm going to show you how you're going to write this section, which is a brief introduction about yourself. This is a very important portion, and if you do it incorrectly, you're not going to get accepted, unfortunately, and you won't be able to earn any money. So you have to pay close attention. If you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you're not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. So, you have to enter in greetings, and then you put in your name. I'm interested in applying for proofreading job at HireSign, and I'm ready to start anytime as soon as possible. Now, it's very important that you want to let them know that you're ready to start right away. And then you're going to say, I want to have more work opportunities available to me, and then I'll always complete tasks on time, and I'll make sure to get excellent feedback from the clients. Something like this, okay? As soon as you're done, click on this box here and select the blue register button. You're then going to be able to join HireSign within 24 hours, I'm sure. And then you're going to be able to receive different Microsoft Word files to help you earn money online. And then as you can see here, for example, there are 2 pages of a Microsoft Word with a total of $40 paid. Now, this is just the first page. When I scroll down here, it's the second page. That's 2 pages in one document. Again, that's $40 in an hour. You can actually complete 10 files the same and make $400. So this is important. When you receive a Microsoft file like this, it contains so many grammatical errors, spelling errors as well. Now, the best thing about Microsoft Word files is that they immediately change and correct these mistakes, and they identify it for you as well. Again, you don't have to be fluent in English or any other language. You're just going to have to right-click on those underlined, autocorrect them with a single button. You're going to do this over and over again on all of the underlined terms. And this is a great and easy technique to be able to make $40 right now. And then I'm going to show you another special bonus tip and another piece of a completely free software that's going to do everything for you and will make your life so much easier. So, you're going to go on to reverso.net. It's a free program that is an automatic spell checker. You can use their services to check all of your English grammar and spellings errors by copying and pasting all of the text into this column. You can choose US or UK, and then you're going to click the yellow check button to perform 100% pre-check. Now I'm going to show you an example. As you can see here, I'll copy this paragraph. Click on copy, then I'm going to go on over to this page, paste all of the text into the column. Again, click on both of these right here, and then just go on ahead, click on this check button. They're going to load it up. They're going to help me all of the errors, and then they've already corrected everything, and that's basically how it is. Super easy. You're going to be able to make $40 per file by using either just Microsoft Word or Reverse, so spell checker, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.